Are you an investor, a wholesaler, or somebody just getting started in real estate? Are you having difficulty with underwriting properties or sending out offers to sellers? How would you like to send out 100 offers a day, all through Excel? Don't believe me? Let me show you the Jericho system. The Jericho system allows me to send out multiple different offers to sellers within a couple of seconds. I have an embedded body paragraph with the specified address of intent to purchase, the terms of the sales agreement, the seller's or agent's name, and the attached LOI to that specified email. The Jericho system also has the ability to calculate subject to, seller finance, and hybrid transactions. My personal favorite about the Jericho system is once those properties are under contract, you can dispo them to all of your buyers within a couple of seconds as well. So if this software sounds like a win to you, then download it in the description below.